And as the minerals set up, we begin our match in 3, 2, 1, begin.
45-11 lowering themselves down quite elegantly as 13-4-3-9 tries to, but ends up lifting themselves back up. 187 going right into that blue depot.
And it seems that team 4511 strands themselves in the crater, incorrectly identifying the mineral. However, team 9520 manages to get inside their depot but does not drop their marker.
And with that, I think it's about time to go to teleop.
Driver, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
And as we begin, the players pick up their controllers as team 4511 picks up their gold mineral and meanders their way over to their depot.
It looks like the Blue Alliance is, a bit of a tip. Blue Alliance is trying to fill up their depot with the minerals from their sample fields, but they're moving a bit slowly. 13-4-9-3 collecting minerals from their sample field to put them into the lander.
It seems that the Red Alliance is the only team that manages to have someone with a claw to reach into that crater. However, it seems that they just got stuck on gold mineral, managing to get themselves unattached just in time. And with Team 187, the Phoenix, being able to try to maneuver minerals as many minerals as they can into their depot. And Team 9520 seems to be sitting still.
Stopped cold in the field, it seems. A hardware malfunction.
It's seen too much. It is very shell-shocked.
13-4-3-9 trying to collect a pair of minerals, but I don't think they're sure of how they're going to drop them the way they want to. So they set them both down and decide to pick up the silver mineral instead. That being said, we have 10 seconds to the end game, so we're going to have to see what these bots do when up against the clock.
And as we move into the end game in a few seconds, we end the teleop period with 1 golden mineral and 1 silver mineral in the Blue Alliance's depot, and 3 silver and 1 gold in the Red Alliance's depot. And Team 13-4-3-9 still putting minerals in as they try to go back to where they started to hang themselves up with only 10 seconds left.
45-11 managing to just get themselves off the floor, but do they have enough to pull themselves up? Are they bending that bracket?
3, 2, 1.
That was terrifying.
It was Team 4511 bending their mechanism to try to hang themselves back up. It definitely is an issue that needs to be resolved before the next match. And the winner for Qualification 15 is Blue Alliance with 124 points, scoring 70 points in Autonomous and 50 in the endgame.
A very good showing indeed. Those Autonomous points definitely helped the Blue Alliance.